Assalamualaikum, my name is Shahzeeb Hassan and registration number is 21T67. This is my lab report 6 of DSP being submitted to Sir Jameel. I have performed all my tasks on MATLAB online and then pasted the screenshots here. Basically in this lab we have to perform DFT. So starting with task 1, first of all I am defining the values of our signal, which is x equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then I am finding the decimation factor, which is m is equal to 2, then dividing the signal into even and odd samples. X of p is equal to x1 m n. Then I am calculating DFT for even and odd samples separately. Then merging both of them using formula, which is n is equal to length x, x is 0, 1, and then using for loop, and at the end displaying the results, which are display original signal, display decimated signal, and display reconstructed signal. The following is the output, where first of all it is the original signal, then it is a decimated signal, and this one is a reconstructed signal. Now moving on to task 2. In task 2, I have first of all I am giving the value to signal where x1 is equal to 2424, then the decimation factor, which is m is equal to 2, then again dividing the signal into even and odd samples, and then calculating DFT as we did in the previous code. Then merging both of them, same, then displaying results. Here the new thing is we are comparing the DFT with standard MATLAB function. Its output is original signal, decimated signal, then comparing DFT of x1 and DFT of decimated x1. This is output. Now moving on to the task 3. In this we are using two signals, whereas x is this and y is this. Then decimation factor is m is equal to 2, then again dividing the signal into even and odd samples, then calculating DFT for even and odd samples separately. Then I have used for loop on both the signals, then displaying the results, then comparing DFT, and this is the output, where original signal x and decimated signal of x is this, original signal y and its decimated signal is this. Then DFT of x is this one, and DFT of x1 is y1 is this one. Now moving on to task 4. Here I am defining a function which is my ft is equal to x. Then I am using the if loop if statement, then dividing a signal into even and odd samples, then merging the DFTs of even and odd samples. Then I have given the value to the input signal, which is x equal to 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 0, 2, 3. Then calculating frequency of generation using my FFT function, then displaying the result. This is the output. Now moving on to the task 5, which is defining the samples, where I have taken 4 samples as w, x, y, and z. Then calculating the FFT separately, my FFT w, y, x, y, and z. Then calculating the FFT using the standard function with separately w, x, y, and z. Then comparing the results and displaying, and this one is its output. Thank you. This was from the lab task number 6, lab report 6. Allah Hafiz.